Guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the most delicious and irresistible fish salad. I know you have had chicken salad and lots of other salads, but this one is one recipe that you're going to come back to over and over and over again. So if this sounds like something you would love to learn, please keep watching while I run you through all of the ingredients. For this recipe, I am going to be running you through the ingredients. You need some fish fillet, and then this is just what it looks like. This is the one that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to be using some cucumbers. I'm also going to be using some cabbage, some tomato, carrots, and of course some avocados, some lettuce that I'm soaking in ice water just to make it more crunchy and delicious. Okay, now you're going to take out your fish and then you're going to cut it into cube or bite sizes. This just makes it easier for you to put it into your salad. And then once you have it in cube sizes like this, you're going to transfer that into a large bowl, and then we go ahead to season. This fish salad is super addictive, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. I'm using some seafood seasoning mix to just season my fish lightly. I used about a teaspoon, and then I'm just going to coat every piece of fish with the seasoning. Once it is properly coated, I'm going to set that aside, and then I'm going to grab a bowl and crack in 2 eggs. I'm going to season my egg with some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and some chili flakes because I like a bit of spice in my fish, and I'm going to set that aside. Next, I'll grab a Ziploc bag because it is easier to work with. I add in 1 cup of cornflakes, and I'm just going to crush my cornflakes, not till it is completely crushed, but I'll crush it and then set that aside. Now I'm going to coat my fish pieces in the egg mixture till it is completely coated, and then I transfer those carefully, not adding the egg into the cornflakes mix. Now doing this in a Ziploc bag is less messy, and it just helps you coat every fish with the cornflakes, and everything is just really easy to clean up afterwards. Once I have that ready, I'm going to set it aside to just begin to marinate for at least 30 minutes. I now start to prep my veggies, my cabbage, my lettuce. I'm just going to slice them as I want them. You can slice them in chunks however you want them. I shred my carrots, and of course my cucumbers. I'm going to cut it open and take out the seeds. I'm just going to cut it like this. You can do any shape or size that you completely like. You can do it straight or however. I'm also going to cut open some avocado and then set that aside. Into a pot, I'll add some vegetable oil. I'll bring this vegetable oil to heat up a bit before I add in my fish pieces, and just begin to fry this on medium to low heat till it is golden brown. Once my fish is frying, I go ahead and make my cream mixture, which is some mayo, black pepper. You can alternate that for white pepper if that's your preference, and then half a lemon squeeze. I'm going to give this a mix till it looks like this, and our cream is ready. You can also use Greek yogurt for the cream if that is what you like. Now look at our delicious crispy fish. They are so crispy and so delicious at this point. You're just going to scoop them out of the oil and set aside. Now let's plate our salad. You'd have some shredded cabbage. There is no particular order, but this is just what I like. And then of course the lettuce goes in, the cucumbers go in, and then I add in my shredded carrots. You can go with any veggies or even add any fruits that you completely like. You can also add nuts to this for that extra crunch. I go in with my avocado slices, and then of course some tomatoes. I add in my crispy, crunchy, well seasoned, delicious fishes into this, and then I add hard-boiled eggs because I always love hard-boiled eggs with my salad. Here you have it. You can actually enjoy this without the cream if you are on a healthy journey, and it looks absolutely delicious. Give this video a thumbs up, okay? Please, this looks so mouth-watering. Give the video a thumbs up, and also drop a comment if you enjoyed this video. Also let me know if you want more salad recipes, or you can go ahead and actually add your cream if you are like me and you enjoy cream in your salad. And there you have your crispy fish salad. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.